Welcome to paradise. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to this video. So it's Sunday, June 19th. It's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day if you're a father. I wasn't fortunate enough to experience that in my life, but you know, it wasn't because I didn't have the opportunity. It was because I chose the path that I chose. And you know, I can honestly say I have very few regrets in my life, but that's one. You know, if I could go back in time and rewind my life, I'd be 25 years old again, and I'd marry Amber Taylor, and we'd have a family. But life doesn't work that way. So anyway, on to fishing. So I'm home. I'm hanging around for the next 3 weeks, and I didn't want the videos to stop on the channel. I didn't want to have a 3-week period of nothing. So before I head back on the road, I'm going to try to do some local. If you notice, the videos I've done so far, they're pre-spawn, spawn videos. Once I head back out, they're going to be post-spawn summertime videos. So you know, techniques are going to change. But over here on Lake Pend O Reille, there's certain parts of the lake where they spawn later in the year, and I'm going to try to put together a couple more spawning videos in the next couple of weeks. And then my dad's coming July 4th for a week, and he's 88 years old. He 2 years ago he could run circles around me at 86. Now he's slowing down, so it may take a couple of days on the water to put together one video, because I just don't know. I don't know how long we're going to be able to be out there. You know, I just don't know. But I'd like to do one with him for sure before I head back out. So I'm going to try to do, let's say, 3 or 4 videos in the next 3 weeks. I know the channel is about fishing water that I'm not familiar with and trying to figure it out, but I want to fill these 3 weeks with something. I don't want to just leave the channel dead. So that's the plan. Next week we've got mid 70 degree temperatures coming Tuesday, I think Tuesday through Friday. That should push any fish that are late spawners into spawn. So I'll probably get out there a couple of those days and try to do 2 different videos. I've got 3 spots on the lake that I feel pretty confident, you know, that there's spawners in those 3 areas, and maybe I can do 3 videos, you know, spend a full day on each spot, and there's enough water to do that. So we'll see. So I can't tell you where I'm going to be. I can just tell you I will be on Lake Pend O Reille, and what I'm doing right here will be in the beginning of, I'll probably put this in the beginning of all the videos that I do in the next 2 weeks on Lake Pend O Reille, and then you'll see where I'm at, you know, as the video unfolds. I'll tell you where I'm fishing. So that's the plan, and I'll see you on the water. Okay, the wind's blowing today pretty hard. It's Wednesday morning, June 22nd, and the lake is still not full. They're trying to keep it down because we've had so much rain and there's so much runoff. There's flooding all in this area, and so I guess they got those floodgates wide open. I can see we're still down a foot. I don't know how that's going to affect things. Here comes a train, and I hope he doesn't blow his whistle, but he probably will. We are in the Pack River. By the way, I'm recording on my GoPro because I'm afraid you're not going to hear it on that. Let me turn I'll show you with the GoPro. That's the Pack River Delta. That winds all the way back. Hang on a second. And there goes the train. Here's a fun fact. 36 trains a day come through Sandpoint, Idaho. Okay, what was I saying? There's the Pack River Delta. That runs all the way back. I don't fish back there. I fished in there twice, never got a bite, so I gave up. Looks great. It looks like you know, should have them in it. We're going down to the corner. If you look at the shoreline, I don't know if you can see, it's down. The lake's still down. I don't remember if I told. Oh yeah, they're running the water through this lake, out of this lake, as fast as they can because it's coming in so fast. They're trying to keep from getting a flood, and then once that settles down, which I don't know when that's going to be, but they'll let the rest of it up. I think they have to have it up by the end of June. I think they have some sort of a contract or something. But anyway, I don't know how that's going to affect today's fishing, because the area where I go back there is pretty shallow already when it's full. So we'll see. We're going for spawners today. This is the last part of the area that's where they spawn here, the Clark Fork. One other spot. We're going to try to put together a somewhat entertaining video. You know, going for spawners. We may get some post spawners, but I'm starting in here because it's pretty rough out there, and we're gonna work in here. Then when we're done, I'll show you on the GoPro. The train bridge is right there. That's where all the water flows out of here. I'm pretty sure this berm, this is man-made. When they built this train track, this river probably flowed, you know, right through, because the lake is right on the other side of that. So they built this, put in a bridge so the water had a place to go, and that's it. So we're gonna fish back here, see how we do, and then after that we'll work our way out to the lake part. This one. Hang on, Dad. I'm talking to my dad. Come here, buddy. Come here. Oh, don't come off. Don't come off. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here. I got you. All right, that's our first keeper of the day right there. So, and we're only, look, you can see how far we've got to go. I mean, if we can get 5 on this stretch, let me show you. I mean, let's get a weight on it. Okay, let's see how much this guy got. He's well, of course it was not gonna work. Let's see. So he's 1.6, so we got to get rid of him. But it's a start. We're 1.6. Okay, that's our first one of the day, 1.6. And I got my dad on the phone here. Let's keep going and see what we get. Jack. A better one. That is a, come here. Oh, don't come off. Don't come off. Don't you dare come off. Don't you do it. Don't you do. Oh, look at this guy fight. Holy mackerel. Come here. Come here. Oh, look at that guy. Woo. Now that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Let me show the camera, because that's a nice one. That's a nice one. I don't think he's 3 pounds. He might be 3 pounds. It's a nice fish. I don't care. All right, let's see. Let's get a weight on you, buddy. Let's get a weight on you.
He weighs, nope, 2 pounds, 12 ounces. 212. Let's put him back. We got a 1.6. We got a 212. If you look, we're still a long way. Well, you can't tell probably from that camera. Let me show you on the GoPro. There's a good chance we're going to get a limit before we get to that corner, and that corner is actually where I consider the better part of this area. But that's 2, and we got a long way to go. That was a nice one. I know it wasn't 3 pounds, but that was a beautiful fish.
I know what you're saying. I think on the computer it's easier to find you because it's a whole screen.
Yeah.
The phone is little. It gives you a little 1-inch squares with everybody going down.
Start recording. Here's another one. I don't know if he's a keeper or not, but we're gonna find out. Oh, come here, come here, come here. Come here. We're gonna have to put him on the board because I'm not sure he's gonna keep, but let's give it a shot. I know it's a little embarrassing. I gotta put a fish on the board, but it's all right. It's early. I just got here, so no, he's, well, let me see. 11, 12. Oh yeah, he's a keeper now. Oh, wait. Sorry, buddy. Oh, sorry, buddy boy. All right, let's see how much he weighs. I'm gonna say not much, but you know, if we're fishing a tournament, remember, every fish matters. It's 1 pound. He's 1 pound. All right, go get him, buddy. We definitely need to get rid of that guy.
Yeah, that's going to be our little guy. We got to get rid of him. But that's 3 fish. We got a long way to go.
I got another good one here, I think. Feels good. Let's see. Oh, yeah, there he is. You got to see that big jump. See that? Boy, they fight. These guys are so mean. They are so mean. They make largemouth look like, come here. Look at this guy. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. I got you. Come here. I'm not good at this. There we go. Okay, he ain't 3, but he's over 2. Let's see. I got another good one here, I think. Feels good. Let's see. Oh, yeah, there he is. You got to see that big jump. See that? Boy, they fight. These guys are so mean. They are so mean. They make largemouth look like, come here. Look at this guy. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. I got you. Come here. I'm not good at this. There we go. Okay, he ain't 3, but he's over 2. Let's see. That's a beauty, huh? That's a beauty. Mean as anything. All right, let's get a weight on him. Oh. Hang on a minute. I'm still talking to my dad, by the way. We're chatting while I fish. Okay, let's see how much this guy weighs. £2, 6 ounces. He's 2.6. All right. See you, buddy. Man, they're mean. God, they are so mean. It is unbelievable. Okay, so that's we got 4 in the boat, 2.6. Once we get a limit, you know, we get one more, we can start culling, get rid of that 1 pounder, because he's gonna kill us. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, let's see how much this guy weighs. We get a limit, you know, you get one more, we can start calling and get rid of that 1 pounder, because he's going to kill us. GoPro, start recording. Here's my 5th, I think it's a keeper. Let's find out. Yeah, he's a keeper. Come here, buddy. He's not that big, but you know what? He's a limit. Don't you do it. Gotcha. All right. Oh, man, John. God dang it. Look at this. Will you look at this? I'm telling you, these guys, I know what you're saying right now watching this. John, you're an idiot, but I'm telling you, these guys, it's amazing how they fight. It's like they fight you to the death. You know, you catch a largemouth, you get him in the boat, he might as well be dead. You know, he's done. He gives up. He says, that's it. I just got a hook in my finger because of this guy right here. God dang you, pal. Pound, 9 ounces. All right, I'm gonna put you back. Didn't mean to disturb your day. God! Yeah, I got punctured, but GoPro, stop recording. So we got a limit, 1.9. Now we're culling. That 1 pounder's our next one. Get rid of that guy. GoPro, start recording. I got one right here. He's gonna call the 1 pounder. Come here, buddy. Let's see if I can do this better. Nope. Gotcha. And I got you. Oh, look at that sore on his back. He's not a big one, but he's more than a pound. I'm pretty sure. Never never works the first time. Anybody owns a Rapala scale, tell me what I'm doing wrong. 1 pound 6 ounces, 1 pound 7 ounces. 1.7 and I'm on the shoulder. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, so we called out the 1, so we're at 1.7. 1.6 now is our small one. Let me show you on the GoPro. I'm pretty much at the end of that stretch. Go. Okay, so the bridge is way down there. I fished all the way to here. I'm going into that. See the backwater in there? You get largemouth back there. I don't know if they're there right now, but you do get largemouth spawning back there. I was here one time years ago. I happened to be there when they were coming in, and it was, I'd never seen anything like it. I was in the boat. I was around that corner, just like sitting there. The sun was out, it was calm, and you could see it was like a, I don't know, like a brigade. I looked, they were 3 pound, range fish. And here they were, swimming back in there, getting ready to set up shop. That was fun. There's one. Is he gonna help? Maybe. What I gotta beat? 1.6? Yeah, I think 1.6. Come here. Oh, one of those deals where it went through his roof of his mouth. So, as I'm sure if you've watched all my videos, you know I would rather sacrifice a hook than damage a fish. So I cut that, I grabbed that, and man, that thing was in there. Reverse it out. Now, see if he beat 1.6. Is it 1.6? Yeah, 1.6. I gotta tell you, while I'm on camera, I lost 2 good ones in here. I know you don't care because you didn't get to see it, but they were both 3+. One was a largemouth. That's a weakness of mine. I lose a lot of fish. Way more than I should. Well, 1.7. We gained an ounce. Okay. So we're going to replace the 1.6 with another 1.7. So now I got 2 1.7s I got to get rid of. As you can see, I'm in the back of that. I'm all the way in the back of this thing. There's a lot of fish back here. I've caught a lot of little ones. I've seen some. We have white caps where the bridge is over there. When you have white caps in the Pat River, I can't even imagine what's going on up there. So I'm hesitating to go back out on the lake. I'm going to fish the heck out of this, going all the way back to the bridge. So let's see what we can come up with. GoPro. GoPro, start recording. That feels like a better one. At least he's pulling. Let's see. Yeah, he'll cull. Come here, buddy. Oh, wait. Come here. Come here. Man, oh man, this is ridiculous. Come here. Jeez. I got you. Man, oh man. You mean son of a gun, you. God dang it. Look at that. He's not. He's not that big. I mean, it's just tough. They're just tough. I don't know. Maybe if you don't fish for smallmouth, there's no way you can know. He is going to cull because our 1.7 is our small ones. There's a lot of fish back in here. Water's in the high 60s. 2 pounds, 4 ounces. There you go, buddy. 2.4.
Probably spooked, everything. There's a lot of fish. They're spawning. There might be some post-spawn too, I don't know, but yeah, there's a lot of fish here. 69 degrees. Conditions are all right here. So what I say, 2.4, right? 2 pounds, 4 ounces. Out one of the 1.7s. Got another 1.7 here, hopefully in this area.
They're stacked up in here, but they're small. They're all under a pound. Well, I'm trying to cull a 1.7. They're all smaller than 1.7, but man, I've had 4, I think it's 4 casts, maybe 5 casts. I've had 4 of them, so I'll keep working. Maybe there's a big female in there. Got one in the wood here, and I'm trying to keep him out of it. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here, come here. I gotcha. Uh-oh. Swallowed it. All right, I got the thing out. I'm gonna weigh him. It was in there good, I can tell you that. I feel bad, I hate that. All right, all right, all right. I want to let you go 2 pounds. 2 pounds. Oh, 2 pounds. Close enough, good enough. I hope you do okay, pal. I really didn't want to do that to you. Oh, don't do that. Come on now. Uh-oh, I don't think he's gonna make it. Shoot. Come on, buddy. Come on. Breathe. Breathe. Oh man, I hate killing fish. I just hate killing fish. Yeah, he's not gonna make it. I couldn't get the darn, it was in a place, I couldn't pop it loose. And I don't know, let's see what happens. I've seen guys revive fish before that I didn't think were gonna make it. I'll give him a minute here. He's trying, but don't look good. He moved. He swam. We're never gonna know. Well, I'm being held captive by the wind. Yeah, there's another whole half of this that I wanted to fish out there, but it's too rough. Too rough for me. I've lost 3 good fish in there, and probably would have changed the entire day. Those 3, they were in the same class as the biggest one I've caught. Anyway, it's 2:30. I'm leaving I'm either gonna leave probably 4 o'clock. I gotta get home to the hockey game tonight.
So got about another hour and a half. I really don't want to go outside the bridge, so I'll probably go fish that other end over there and see what we can find. I just wanted to show you, it's 54.7 degrees here. I'm in the corner. The bridge, the train bridge is right there, so I'm in this corner. I was in that far corner down there where it was just full of fish. 69 degrees, a almost 15 degree difference in temperature from this corner to that corner. I have no idea why. I'm sure somebody could tell me, but it's crazy. So I came off early. What I decided to do is come back tomorrow and fish the other side of where I was fishing, which I was going to do today. Hopefully it's not as windy, and that's the plan. I'm going to come back here tomorrow, so I'm going to turn 2 days into a one-day video, and you probably can't hear a word I'm saying on that camera, so I've got the GoPro going because the wind's blowing and I know how crappy that is. So but anyway, that's the plan. I'll be back tomorrow and we'll do the second half of this.